Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, how are you today? Introduce me, Aprilia Putrajara, class 7F. Today I will read the story of Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang. Long time ago, there was a woman lived in a village in Sumatra. She lived with her son, Malin Kundang. Her husband was dead, although she was very poor. She lived happily because she was a religious mother. She always expressed thanks to God everything she got. But Malin Kundang was satisfied with such life. He wanted to be rich. He did want to stay with his mother in poverty all his life, working in a big city and being a rich man was his obsession. One day there was a merchant ship dropped at the harbor and carried his village. The captain of the ship was looking for new recruits for this crew. Malin Kundang heard this and he asked his mother, "Mother, I'm going to live here. I want to apply to be crew of the ship." His mother said, "But you must be careful and always remember me." And Malin Kundang became the crew of the merchant ship. Many years later, Malin Kundang was very successful at sea. Not only he was now the captain of a ship, but also he was the owner of a fleet of merchant ships as well. He had become a very rich man, but he was very bold, himself, and very close-fisted. He never sent his mother a letter or money. He never visited her as well. One day, Malin Kundang turned back from Order Iceland bringing his new, big and very expensive ship. A lot of people gathered in the harbor when it dropped anchor, and an old man hurried to the home of Malin Kundang's mother and told her he crew, "Oh mother, your son has returned. He is the captain of splendid that ship that has dropped anchor in the harbor. He is a great man. How a rich man," they said. "It all ship come, oh mother, and see, come and see." She was very careful, for there his son come back. Malin Kundang's mother could hardly believe the news. She hardly come to her son, saying, "Oh, my son, Malin Kundang, I miss you. It's me, your mother." Malin Kundang recognized his mother, but he was a captain of shop owner, a man of affluence. This was a poor old woman bringing a basket of rice. The posters of her woman, "Ill, what do you want of me, old woman?" He shouted, "I don't know you. You are not mother." She did imagine how in the cold heaven she was very disappointed that she never left in here with her eyes closed. She said, "Oh God, I know he is my son, but why he turns weekend? Please, don't let his weakness continue beneath him as you wish." Malinkunda entered the ship, leaving his mother at the airport. He intended to travel again with his new ship, but suddenly the sky was dark and rained heavily. Heavy storms thundered struck the ship. Malinkuna terrified and cried, "Oh God, I know a deadly sin I have committed against my mother. Please forgive me." But always too late. This time there was no forgiveness. The ship capsized and turned into a great rock. Malinkundang could enjoy his life anymore. Thank you. Bye guys. See you next time. Bye.